going slow. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we're on the 50s, and we got the 50s outside. Well, they're on 90s, as you can see, but you know, same sort of thing, mini bike vibes. And yeah, I'd say it's gonna be freaking baller. Yeah. We outside today, boy. A little sesh before it gets dark. You know, just straight vibes. Bro, they're both killing it. Oh my god, no. The 90 killers outside. Yeah. The boy's going crazy, dog. Okay, I see you. I see you, bro. Let's go. The boy's getting after it, bro. This is why y'all need minis in your life, bro. Like, you can just go out with your homies, take over your neighborhood real quick, you know, just good vibes. Like, don't be cutting people off and things like that. Yo, look at him. Boy, I was going straight for the bushes. Let's go, mini bike vibes. Yee! Boy, going nuts, dog. Ah! And that's the thing, bro. It's all balance on these bikes. Like, if you don't have the balance correctly, there's not enough power to get you going crazy. Yo, this. We're going slow.
Yeah, I got 3 kids here, 5 kids in there.
It's coming off disrespectful now. We're telling you. We're just telling you.
Kids myself, I just at my house. Yeah,
nobody's trying to disrespect your kids.
No, but it's not safe.
Your kids are outside. We put the wheels down and go nice and slow.
It's safe, man. I got little kids that might run off on you. You might not see them.
We know what we're doing. Kids don't. I would definitely put the kids down. Like I said, if I see your kids outside, I would just rather it not happen. We would just rather it not happen.
In between those cars so you don't see them.
Right.
Now, my kid's hurt, you're hurt. I got kids with her, man.
We're not saying you don't know how to ride good.
Yeah, I'm not judging your skills.
We can't.
You're doing stuff I can't do. I'm just saying, it's not the place. I'm not doing it, man, but I'm telling you, I have kids myself.
Right, we would just rather it not be right there.
Like, you want to ride on your street, go right on your street. I got kids all over there.
It is.
I'm a grown ass man.
I'm not saying you're not.
I'm 30 years old. I know exactly what you're saying. I'm not trying to disrespect you, and I'm trying to be polite. That's great. Thank you.
I'm just saying, go do wheelies with you on your street.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
We understand, bro. They both have kids. We both we all understand. We're not trying to hurt no one. We're not trying to get in no one's way. We're just trying to rip, bro. And like, homie was saying, like, well, what if our kids are running in the road? And it's like, bro, like, what if a car comes? Like, why are your kids in the road? They should know not to do that. Yes, we're not doing the best thing. I know that, like, but bro, we're going under 20 miles per hour. We're going literally like 10 miles per hour and just chilling, bro. Like, we're watching out for everyone. You see what I'm saying, bro? We just want to go out here and have some fun on our little pitties and shred. Like, we're looking out everywhere. Like, we're professionals. Alright, we had the local gas station. You know the freaking vibes. Alright, well, since I am watching the bikes, I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown what we're working with. So we got the TRX 90, straight Honda vibes, you know, super clean. And I think this is a TRX 92, bro. So we got, yeah, 2 TRX 90s, then a CRF 50. And as you can see, the 50 keeps up with the 90s so easily. Like, there's no problems at all. Which is crazy, bro, because like this bike right here is just a 50cc. And that's 40 more cc's higher. And this little bad boy can keep up with it. Ooh, it smells weird over here, dog. Oh! Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey, he got it. You already know Tater Tune's a neighborhood ripper. Bro,
Yo, we'll get some.
it's a drive-in store. I've never been in here.
I got a bid.
What? This is sick.
Alright,
Yo, we pulled up to the freaking drive-thru. Yeah, for real.
Can I get a Corona,
I'm good. Yeah.
Yo, man.
It's so sick, bro. Is it new or?
Nah, I've been here
What?
years, bro. Probably before I was even born.
Damn, I'm not, bro. I used to live right down the street. Let's go.
Yeah, no, go there. You didn't get no drinks?
Nah.
Get up off me, gang.
Hello. Ooh, the head. Oh boy, let's go. Oh boy, hit a double. I know it's getting dark now, so I'm probably gonna end the video in a little bit, but if I don't, then just know some bananas went down. Oh, he's moving it. Yeah! Let's go. Woo! Yeah. Oh, my boy went too far. Alright, we're about to get a little race. 270 or 290 quads first. Alright, ready? Yeah. Yo, it's fast. So gang, to add a little bit to what happened earlier in the video, like I said, we're really not trying to disrespect anyone. We're riding as safe as we can. Yes, it looks a little dangerous. When you're in a wheelie, we know that, but we've been doing this for like 6-7 years now, and I can tell you, most of us on these mini bikes, we almost feel as comfortable in a wheelie as just riding on two wheels. Then again, we know how other people see it, and they see it as dangerous. That's why we weren't trying to argue with these people or these neighbors, because we know it looks bad. Like, it doesn't look as the safest thing in the world. But then again, we're only going 10-15 miles per hour, and we're always looking out for cars. So yeah, let me know in the comments if we handled this correctly or if we could have done something better. And yeah, I love you, gang. So yeah, the homies ran out of gas right now. At least Tate did. And yeah, we're at the wall right here. We're about to fill her up. Alright, we just filled up. I'm probably going to end the mini bike sesh here. It has been flipping real. Shout out the boy Kenny, shredding. You already know we got the boy Tate. He's fixing his battery. And yeah, we'll see you next time. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. I love you, gang. Peace.